Mozo is an indie female dog who is beside Payal, and then we have Sweetie, we have Mimi, and we have Genie. So these are the lovely babies, and Mojo, she is little unfriendly with other dogs. Means in the sense she is not aggressive, but she chooses to be little aloof from them. So she's beside Payal, and look at her. She's like a queen sitting on the sofa and watching what others are doing. So this is pretty beautiful moment, morning moment. As I keep saying, after the breakfast they have this extra energy when they roam around, play, have some good time, and after that they take a power nap. So in our creche, all the babies, they live very comfortably because it's like a home kind of atmosphere they get. So Mimi is a bull mastiff, strong breed dog. So as you can see, smallest breed to largest breed, all are staying together, and this is what makes this so beautiful. Dogs from different families with different temperament. She's so cute. Now she has come down. As I said, she is very moody. She is very choosy. Mozo will make friendship as per her will. So we stay with them, and our life is with them. And all of you who follow me, I know you guys are ardent dog lovers. You love to watch them. And that's why I bring all these lovely moments to you all. তুমি আসবে বলেই, yes.